In this video I want to prove the difference of cubes. X cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So I go from right to left and then from left to right. So if I want to prove it, x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So x times x squared, x cubed, x times xy, it will be x squared y, plus x times y squared, xy squared. Here we have negative y x squared. Negative y times xy will be negative xy squared. Negative y times positive y squared will be negative y cubed. Okay, so I will see this one and this one cancel out, this one and this one cancel out, so the answer will be x cubed minus y cubed. Now from this side to the other side, we have x cubed minus y cubed, x minus y. So the first thing I need to use x squared. X squared times x, x cubed minus x squared y. Negative, these two cancel out, negative y cubed minus negative, so it will be positive x squared y. Next one will be xy, positive xy. Positive xy times x will be x squared y minus xy, y is going to be xy squared. These two cancel out, it will be negative y cubed plus xy squared. So I will have y squared, next one, y squared times x minus y to the power of 3. This minus this will be 0, and that will be the answer. So x cubed minus y cubed divided by x minus y will be x squared plus xy plus y squared. That will be the answer.